Hello everyone, Amanda here. Thanks so much for joining me. I have another embellishment builder freebie for you today. I've been doing these for a few weeks over in my Facebook group. So not my business page, my group. You'll need to request to join and they're in the files section. I'm also putting them in the Ko-fi members 2026 extras file so that they've got them as well. So as you can see, it's film strips today and photographs. Very simple, very easy, very straightforward, nothing complicated. So all you need to do is print it out. I printed mine on lightweight cardstock and then, make what you like with them. So I've got some inspiration for you. I'm going to show you what I've made and I'm going to give you just a few tips about using these. So this is the full size. I also did print a set 2 to a page so that they're smaller. So you'll see those smaller ones in my examples. Okay, now these are not sized absolutely with the nail on the head for sizing to fit in there. You may need to just trim a little bit off. Okay, now don't worry if you think if you cut them and they're not perfect and you can see some of that white space. It's actually a very pale tea dye. Some of that white space, just go in with a black marker, okay, and make a border all the way around. Okay, all the way around there. That means that then when you lay your photo on, you're not going to see any of that white space. Doesn't matter if we cover that up because it's this that we're after. That's what defines the film strip. If you want to make any into, windows with acetate, one of mine has that. I would advise that you make this band here wider because that's very, very slim for cutting. So what I did was I went to the first rectangle on the top and the bottom, found round about the middle. Okay, and I've drawn a line. I've done the same at the other side just to make that band thicker. Okay, then cut that out. You'll be left with 2 white strips each side. So again, you just go in with your marker and you just colour them in. You won't see them. Okay, and then you've then got room there to glue your acetate on. Okay, that's those tips. I've dropped the lid to my pen. 1 minute. I'll have to put it on or it'll dry up. Pro markers they dry up really fast. So those are my tips. Okay, as I say, I printed them out 2 to a page as well, so I'll show you my examples. Here they are. I kept it really simple this week. I came up with all sorts of funky ideas, but I thought I'd keep it simple. All right, so here is the first one. So that's just one of the larger ones, and what I've done there is I've added the label, but I've glued it with a very thin bead of glue, and then these are when they're printed 2 to a page, the smaller ones. So you've got a little tuck. I like to tuck little things into little tuck spaces. Okay, now remember, you can use that as just an embellishment, add it to a page, add it to a larger cluster with labels and ripped paper. You could make it into a hidden paper clip. You could turn it into all sorts of things. Okay, that could just go on a page. You could glue it on 2 sides and it's a tuck. You can add it to your pockets like I do with my journals. It's ready made there. There's a heaps of things you can do. You can also put a hole in there with an eyelet and have it as a dangle, whatever. Okay, so here's another one with some of the smaller ones, and here I cut, where were we? These film strip, this one I cut it up to make those, and then this film strip here is this one when it's printed 2 to a page. Okay, the butterflies there I've printed 2 to a page, so these are the smaller ones, but I've used the full size wording. Okay, so that's that one. Hopefully it's not going in and out of focus. Then I just made some little clusters with the smaller ones, 2 to a page, but then the large butterfly. So again, add them to other clusters or pockets or envelopes, whatever, embellishments. They're embellishments. And then there's another one. So they're all different, okay? And they're just all in different orientations and configurations. And you can come up with an infinite amount, okay? All right, so here's one I did with acetate. Okay, so I put acetate behind that and then added it to another one. You can obviously ink this to make the background darker if you so desire. You can distress it to make it a bit more tatter. You can add in your, let me see if I can find some really quickly. You can, you know, add in extra things like your labels or whatever, okay? That's that one. And then here's a little tiny one. And then here I rounded the corners of the photos and I've actually put them at an angle. So they're not straight in there. And it just looks cool. Okay, so that's a little teeny one. This one's a larger one. Again, this is with the acetate. One of the larger ones and then one of the small ones chopped up. The same as this, okay? So you're staggering them. Now that would make a pocket on its own. All you'd need to do is just glue there, there and there. Put it in your journal, you've got a pocket, okay? Or, you know, glue it there and it's a tuck. But I think that's really lovely. So we've layered up the two different sizes there. And then I made this one, which is, I've got all of them and the lovely little pretty butterflies and some of the words. So those are just some basic cluster ideas really. But, you know, they're lovely embellishments. We've got different sizes, different orientations and different configurations. I like that one. And the smaller one. And then that one again with the little tucking space. So there's all sorts you could do. I'm quite sure you could come up with far more creative ideas. You know, I did think about getting the acetate ones, these, and doing the two back to back and putting thread between, and then it would turn into a spinner. Okay, loads of ideas. You could turn them into flips and all sorts of things. But, you know, there you go. Those are my little embellishments that I've made. Hopefully it'll give you some inspiration. And go and grab that freebie and have fun making them. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.